In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a channel on ClickUp. So channels are one of the best ways to communicate with a certain group of people or users in ClickUp workspace. So by creating a channel, you'll have a common place where all the channel members can easily reach out or communicate on general issues. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account and then head to these channels. And under it, you can see have an option here, create a channel. If you click on it, you can give your channel a name like that. You can also decide whether to make your channel private or public, and you can go ahead and add a list. Here you can attach a list to manage tasks and work. Once you're done, go ahead and click on create. You can also go ahead and import data in this channel. So for my case, I'll leave it as it is and then go ahead and click on create. And as you can see, the channel will be created. Now it's time to go ahead and invite members. You'll see a list of members that can be added to this channel. Go ahead and click on all the members that you want to add to this channel. You can also go ahead and invite people via email by inserting their email accounts when you click on invite people via email here. Now once you're done, now you can go ahead and click on add, and this will go ahead and create a new channel, and you can see the lead channel is here. From here, you can go ahead and start messaging your friends, and when you send these messages, everyone on this channel will be able to read these messages and also chat together with you. So that's how you can create channels in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.